Good morning, I am Kiran Raj. Welcome to the online classes on problem solving using C. Today we will discuss about type conversion. So why the type conversion is needed or what is type conversion? Let us consider this example and let us understand what is the main reason for having the type conversion. I have two variables here, sum and count, which are of integer type, and I want to find out mean. How to find out mean? Mean can be found out by sum by count. When I do that, 17 divided by 5, my value has to be 3.2. But since sum is of integer type and count is of integer type, you get the answer or the result in the integer type and your mean value is 3 instead of 3.2. To solve these types of the problem, we are going to require type casting, type conversion or type casting. It is a way to convert a variable from one data type to another data type. So in the previous case, what you are going to do? I am going to convert the sum from integer type to float type or to double type. That time what will happen? Float divided by integer, your result will be in float type, or double divided by integer, your result will be in double type. So I'll get the actual value, that is 3.2. If I'm not doing the type conversion or if I'm not doing the type casting, I'll get the answer as 3. So to get accurate answer or to get the accurate results, I need to do the type conversion. So there are two types of type conversion, implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion, C or your compiler will automatically converts any intermediate values to the proper type so that your expression can be evaluated without losing its significance. So here your compiler will only change the type of the expression or the variable so that you get the proper or the exact result. The automatic conversion by the compiler is called as implicit type conversion. If the operands are of different types, then the lower type is automatically converted to higher type before the operation is proceeds. Consider this example where I am having integer I and character C. They are of different type. I am going to do the operation on the different type, that is integer and this is character. So what will happen here? The compiler or your C itself convert the lower level data type. What is lower level data type? Here I am having integer and character. I is integer and C is character. So C is lower level, that is character is lower level compared to integer. So lower level will be converted to integer. So integer I, that is 17 plus character C value, that is integer value is 99. So 99 plus 17 will be taking place and that value will be stored in sum. Instead of I plus C or instead of 17, plus C, you are going to have 17 plus 99. So lower type is automatically converted to higher type, and your result will be also in the higher type only. Now, when compiler automatically converts the operand data type, it is always converted from lower level to higher level. It cannot be changed from the higher level to lower level. For example, character can be converted to integer as you seen in the example. In the same manner, short can be converted to integer, int can be converted to long int or unsigned int, and int can be converted to float, int can be converted to double, or float can be also converted to double and long double. But the reverse case is not possible here. That is double to int, that is not possible. Example, I have already explained. So this is only applied, implicit type conversion is only applied when you are going to have two different types of the operands involved in the expression. I and C. What is the expression here? I plus C is the expression, and I is of integer type and C is of character type. Character C, that means ASCII value is getting stored. So I plus C, C is of character type and I is of integer type. Character is lower data type, so it will be converted to integer data type. I plus integer C, that is 17 plus 99, it will be 116. Explicit type conversion, the type conversion is performed by the programmer. Here programmer or the user will explicitly specify the type conversion. The general format or the syntax is type name, that is data type, followed by the expression. Here expression, it can be constant, variable or the expression. So here explicitly done by the programmer. Programmer is forcing the type conversion, so it is called as explicit type conversion. Let us see one example. I have two variables, that is int type sum and count, but I want to calculate mean. How to convert, or what is the syntax? Type name followed by the expression. So what I am going to do here is, I will convert one of the variable to double type, because mean is in double format. So I have to get the double result. So I am making it, I am converting the data type of the sum from integer to double. So now double sum, that means 17.0 divided by 5. So now what will happen? My result will be also in the double only. So I will get the answer 3.2 and it will get stored in the mean value, that is 3.2. Thank you.